I don't understand something. We all collected data, but we did it in different ways. So we still can't tell what the three monster favorites are.
It's blueberry, see right here.
But my data shows spinach.
Yeah, well, this is confusing.
We need to put all the data together.
Yes, we have to organize it.
But how? Can anyone think of a way?
Wait, how about this? Let's use this graph paper and make a graph. On the bottom, we'll list all the kinds of pancakes our friends chose as their favorites. What kinds of pancakes are in your data?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum
On my finger.
I know. Oh, no.
Banana.
Yeah,
Don't forget spinach.
spinach. Okay, any more?
No.
Now we'll color in the boxes above the names. One box for each pancake.
Huh?
I'll show you, Multiplex. We'll start with you. How many of your monsters liked bubblegum?
1, 2, 2.
Okay, so we'll color in 2 boxes above where bubblegum is listed. 1, 2, split. How many of your group like bubblegum?
2.
So we'll add 2 more boxes onto this column.
I had 3 bubble gums on my list.
Okay, 3 more boxes, and I had 2. Okay, that's the bubblegum column.
Oh, I see. Let me try.
Okie doke.
Hey, Addison, how many in your data like spinach?
4.
Okay, so I'll fill in 4 boxes. How about you, Split?
None. They all liked banana.
Split!
Just kidding. I mean, 3.
Well, I had 2 for spinach.
And I only have 1. But I had a lot for blueberries. 5 in all.
I had 2 monsters who wanted blueberries.
So did I. That's 2 more. How many for you, Split?
Wow, I had 4. Let's check banana. I only had 1.
2 here.
3 for me.
Let's see. 1, 2 bananas for me. Hey, I can see it. Blueberry is the tallest.
Wow! Spinach is next.
Then comes bubblegum.
Too bad about banana, but that's all right. The graph shows us that blueberry, bubblegum, and spinach are the most popular because their columns are the highest. And that's what we'll serve at Addison's restaurant.
You know, if we write the numbers up the side of the graph, we can find out exactly how many monsters liked each kind of pancake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wow, blueberries got 13 votes.
Spinach got 10.
9 for bubblegum.
Banana only got 1 less than bubblegum.